Experience the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Awake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all. And see it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover. Discover it all.
Happy birthday! Si Amara kasi yung nasa tiyan pa lang sobrang likot na. Tapos nung lumabas, talagang alam ko na smart siya. Kasi ang bilis niyang matuto, ang dami niyang mga, kumbaga parang tricks, ganyan. Parang konting makita niya, alam na niya kung paano niya gagawin. Kasi yun yung isa sa mga hindi ko kayang gawin ng bata ako. Pero nakikita ko talaga na, ay hindi niya naman sa akin yun. Kasi talagang ano niya, yan, mapagmahal niya sa mga sa family.
In awe, we stand amazed in all of this goodness that has been made. Oh, we lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment, here and now. Discover it all.
I have a good day, Chaka. Mabuti ako na babae sa bagong year. For coming to my birthday party. I love you all.